Welcome or welcome back. Either way, I thank you for stopping by for another look into My Royal Diaries. In this episode, I'm doing more organizing, some mommy duties, and I'm beginning my vacation prep. Thank you again for stopping by. Now let's go be royal.
Principal, I think I know everybody in the room. Thank you for allowing us to work with your children. We appreciate everything that you have done.
Everyone has got a chance to make a difference, big or small. Everything that we face together helps to make us close, to make us strong. We are strong together. When we put our hearts together, we can make a difference today. We can make a difference. Yes, we can. We can!
All right, Royals, it is now 2 days later. I have been inspired to do another closet. I need to change out my seasonal clothes, put out my summer clothes, put up my winter clothes. I also need to do something with these glasses because they've been out for a long time. I'm tired of looking at them. I need to put them in a bin, so I think I'm going to put them in this black bin that you're looking at right now. And then I'm going to work on my shoes, see if I can get rid of anything. And lastly, take down this box bin because it's just too many clothes in it. This closet is my dress and skirt closet, which I'm most proud of because look at this gap space that I have now. I can either add something in here or maybe I can just leave it like it is because I definitely don't need to add anything. But this whole thing used to be mushed and squished with clothes and hangers. So I got rid of a lot of stuff from this closet. Very proud of this one. Tell me how the last day of Ninja went. How has it been just this whole semester?
Good. Good. I had a fun time here. Sometimes it was boring, but I had a fun time.
Do you think it's worth learning code at this age, at 10?
Yeah.
Why?
A lot of people complimented me for learning how to code at 10.
Yeah. Would you do more technology stuff in the future?
Maybe just a little, but it's not really what I would want to do when I grow up.
All right, that's fair.
That's why I got out.
What do you think you want to do more? What subject you want to do more that's academically? Since you don't really want to do technology, what about like science or something like that?
Science.
All right, we'll see if we can find something science. But I'm proud of you for sticking it through. All right, let's get some ice cream.
Let's go see the Little Mermaid!
To a world of wonder, brimming with incredible sights and sounds like nothing you've ever experienced before.
Wow, look at this. So what was it? How did you like it, Alex?
I liked it.
What was your favorite part? Here, you hold that.
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll say that. What about you? Give it to Reagan. What was your favorite part?
Was when her whole family came.
All right. Yeah, we all love that part. So, hey. No, she's not going to be on camera. Made it home, Royals. About to take a nap. But not before I say these two things. One, The Little Mermaid. Oh my gosh. Disney is getting better and better and better at making these live action movies. Every time one comes out, it is better than the last one. Absolutely love, love, love this movie. It had drama. It was, I mean, I don't want to tell too much, but one tear came out. Okay. Yes, there I said it. One tear came out. Like, I never cry at movies. But this one was very, very heartfelt. Not to mention the diversity in this movie. 10 out of 10. 5 stars out of 5 stars. Loved it. If you have not seen The Little Mermaid. But by the way, if you are not a Disney fan, or if you have an ounce of hateration towards Disney, don't go see it. Because us Disney fans, we're true Disney fans. Because we're going to sing. Yes, we are. We're going to sing in the movie theater. We're going to laugh. And like I said, we may even cry. So don't go if you are not a Disney fan, because you don't need to ruin it for us. Love this movie. Definitely going to see it again. Cannot wait for it to be on Disney Plus. And the second thing is, today is Memorial Day. I never said that. Happy Memorial Day. I really appreciate everything you've done for our country. Thank you again for the sacrifices that you make for yourself, for us, and for your families. Thank you so much for serving. Nap time. Where did I leave you all? Oh, yeah, I was taking a nap. No, I didn't take a long nap. Actually, probably wasn't even a nap at all. I got to watching TV, then fell asleep for a few minutes, and then woke up to do some housework. But the main event was Reagan's hair last night. So when I dropped Reagan off at her dad's house, because they went to a cookout together for Memorial Weekend, and they didn't get to back home, my house, until after 8 in the evening, and Reagan had school this morning. But I was determined to still take out her hair. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? That thing took hours to take out, and our bedtime is, well, her bedtime is 9 p.m. My bedtime is 10, so believe me, by the time 9 came around and I was not even halfway done, our sister was tired. So yeah, did not feel like vlogging, didn't feel like doing anything, just wanted to get it done. We didn't wind up getting to bed until after 11, and that is so late for her. So believe me, she was dragging this morning. But we made it to school on time, thank God. Tomorrow is her EOGs, which stands for end of grade testing, which is very important for her grade. I mean, basically it determines if she goes to 5th grade or not, which I'm not worried, she's fine. Math is kind of kicked her a little behind this semester, but she'll be fine. But I say that to say she definitely is going to bed early tonight so she can get a good night's rest for this test tomorrow and Thursday. Oh, thank God. The school year end is almost here. Whew. Okay, but what I'm truly excited about, I am doing a haul, my first haul today. I told you Royals, I told you in my last vlog, I told you in a couple of vlogs that I am going on a big trip in a few weeks. So I'm getting ready for it. With the first thing, I needed some walking shoes. Yeah, that's a hint. Where we're going is it's going to be a lot of walking. It's always a lot of walking. And you would think, you know, mostly sneakers are comfortable, but they're not. I don't know. It's because I've really worn heels all my life. So now that I've been working from home and I'm not in an office, I wear flat shoes all the time, and I already have very flat feet. I don't have an arch. So I don't know, it just hurts sometimes, even with flat shoes, even with flat sandals. So I bought my first pair of official walking sneakers. Paid a good penny for them. But yeah, when I come back from walking Shuri, we're going to go into that haul. Look at this, Royals. Just picked in my mail, and not someone handwriting their address. This is definitely junk mail because it says my name or occupant. Probably somebody trying to buy my house. I get something like this every week, but nor have I not seen someone ever handwrite their address. I crossed out the city and state and zip code because y'all need to see all that. Moving on to important news. Here is the box. Let's open it and see these sneakers. Not my first Hoka sneakers, Royals. Oh my gosh, let's see what all the hype is about. I have been hesitant to get these sneakers because to me they're not very cute, but as they say, as you get older, style leaves out the window, comfort comes in. But hopefully I got a little combination of both. But let's take a look at these. So these are a size 7 wide. Like I said, my feet are flat-footed, so I was loving the fact these came in wides. Hopefully they fit very well, because this is also my first pair of sneakers, or yeah, I think first pair of sneakers that I did not try on in store. So I'm a little afraid. Let's try them out. First glance, I love the colors. Okay, well, okay, so this is what I don't like about Hokas. It's just the sole is like so big. The platform is so big. I mean, I am a petite girl, so I guess it'll give me like an inch or inch and a half more of height, but not like I ever wanted it. But I love the colors. I wanted a purple, and this is purplish. And the other purple had hot pink, and I've said many times that I do not like the pink. I don't like pink, so we went with orange and a light blue. Oh, and these are the Hoka's Rincon 3. Make sure I have that right. Yeah, Rincon 3 wide. So yeah, all right, now let's try on for comfort. As far as feel goes, I love it. It does feel like I'm on a cloud. Sherry, you're on my spot. You're in my shot, girl. You're in my shot. They do feel like I'm walking on a cloud. I don't know. I just can't get used to the way they look. I'm such a style kind of girl, and they just make my feet look so big, and I have little feet. I don't know if it's because they're wide. I just think it's because of the platform. So that I have to get used to. I'm walking on my carpet. I'm not walking outside yet, because just in case I can't get over it, I'm going to take them back, because I think it's free returns. But I don't know. I love the colors, but I just the way they look, again, they just make my feet look so big. I don't know. I got to try them out for a little while and see if I can get over the way they look and just worry about the comfort. But again, as far as comfort, I do love the way they feel. Like, a lot of sneakers on me feel real tight because a lot of them don't come in wide, and since these are wide, they do feel like I'm walking on a cloud. This is just one out of a few shopping hauls that I'm going to do. The next few orders that's coming in, I have never ever ordered from these sites. So yeah, a little anxious because I don't know how they're gonna fit or look at this point. Hoping everything works out, because I don't have time to order anything else or buy anything else. And I'm really hoping these outfits are going to work for my trip. So stay tuned.